this is the basic formula of the velocity of sound. Okay, this is the what is the first formula? Under root of gamma p by rho under root gamma rt by m. This is applicable for sound propagated through air. Okay, here nana first factor. Look here nana. According to this formula, velocity inversely proportional to root. One by one I discuss easily. Look here. Okay. M indicate molecular weight. For example, hydrogen gas. For example, I take oxygen gas. Hydrogen gas molecular weight nana 2. Oxygen nana O2 kada 32. Here molecular weight is less, velocity is what? More. That means simply hydrogen molecular weight less, its speed is more. That means lighter gases have more speed. Lighter gases లో సౌండ్ అనేది మోర్ స్పీడ్గా ట్రావెల్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ద లాంగిట్యూడ్ వేవ్ in the gas, lighter gases have more speed, heavier gas have low speed because molecular weight less, automatically speed of the sound is more because both are inversely proportional. And again second property nana, look here. According to this formula, velocity and t directly proportional. Okay, directly proportional. Here T taken as absolute temperature. ఇక్కడే కాదు నాన్న, గ్యాసెస్ కనిపిస్తే ఆల్వేస్ టెంపరేచర్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ కెల్విన్. సెల్సియస్కి 273 యాడెడ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 27 డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్. దానికి ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి? 273 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఎంత అవుతుంది? 300 Kelvin. అంటే ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ ద చాప్టర్ టెంపరేచర్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ అబ్సల్యూట్. ఓకే, కెల్విన్స్ నాన్న. లుక్ హియర్. హియర్ అకార్డింగ్ టు దిస్ రిలేషన్, టెంపరేచర్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, velocity of sound also increases. Here according to this relation, temperature increases, velocity of sound also increases. For example, 1 degree Celsius rise అయితే speed of the sound increases approximately 0.61 meter per second. అంటే every 1 degree rise of temperature కి ఓకేనా ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందన్న 0.61 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ స్పీడ్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ అవుతుంది. అంటే 2 డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ రైజ్ చేసామనుకో, 2 ఇంటూ 0.61 ఎంత అవుతుంది అంటే 1.22 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 3 డిగ్రీస్ రైజ్ చేసామనుకో, స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సౌండ్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ బై 0.61 into 3 nana 1.83 meter per second. That means every 1 degree rise of temperature, speed of sound increases by 0.61 meter per second. Nana again I discuss nana, look here nana, the third point is velocity basic formula is what? Speed of sound in gas gamma p by rho nana. Here velocity and density both are ఎలా ఉంటాయి అంటే నాన్న యూనివర్సలీ ఉన్నాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకి 2 types ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్స్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న. వన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద వింటర్ సీజన్ మాయిచ్ ఎయిర్ నాన్న, అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద సమ్మర్ సీజన్ డ్రై ఎయిర్. Generally density of moist air always less than density of dry air. Simply called as moist air density is less. That means less density, speed of the sound is more. అంటే స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద సౌండ్ ఎక్కడ మాయిచ్ ఎయిర్లో మోర్ ఉంటుందా, డ్రై ఎయిర్లో మోర్ ఉంటుందా అంటే మాయిచ్ ఎయిర్లో మోర్ ఉంటుంది అన్న. బికాస్ డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ మాయిచ్ ఎయిర్ is always less than density of the dry air. According to this relation, density less అయితే speed of the sound is more. So speed of the sound in moist air is greater than compared to speed of the sound in dry air. And again the fourth point is very most important point nana. Look here nana, look here. Temperature is constant. Generally nana, velocity speed of the sound in gas formula is gamma p by rho. Here generally P by rho from ideal gas equation is RT by capital M. According to condition, what is the condition? Temperature is constant. Molecular weight for a given gas always constant. Universal gas constant always constant. That means simply call as P by rho. Temperature is constant. P by rho also constant. Once again I repeat. Temperature is a constant. P by rho also constant. Its meaning is, for example, pressure increases 2p, density also increases 2 rho. But that means always P by rho is always constant. That means simply call as in the given condition temperature is a constant, automatically P by rho is a constant. Speed of sound in the particular gas is also constant. P by rho constant, gamma constant, automatically speed of the sound is constant. That means speed of the sound does not depends upon the pressure and density. For example, the question condition is temperature is constant. Temperature constant, automatically P by rho constant. That means pressure changes 3 times, automatically density changes 3 times, 3 cancel. So always P by rho is constant. That means temperature is a constant, pressure is a constant, density also constant. In the condition is most important. Temperature is a constant. Pressure, for example, 3 times increases, but speed of the sound is constant because pressure increases 3p. Automatically density increases 3 rho, 3 what? Cancel. Simply call as, look here, only temperature. That means here speed of the sound does not depends upon the pressure, but here pressure change, but density also changes equal rate. So this ratio automatically 4 times pressure changes, 4 times density, 4 what? Get cancelled. So that's why speed of the sound is always constant. Always constant. Temperature is a constant. These important velocity of longitudinal wave briefly I discussed. What is the basic formula? Under root E by rho. Solids తీసుకుంటే speed of sound passing through the solids. E indicate Y, Young modulus. And again it will be travel. Speed of sound travel through the liquids and gases. E noted by K. K is nothing but the bulk modulus. V is nothing but the under root K by rho. And again here I discuss Newton's assumption is always wrong. What is the Newton assumption? Sound propagated through the medium, temperature of the medium is constant. That is always wrong, Nana. So because that experimentally determined speed of sound is 280 meter per second, but experimental value is 331 meter per second. So 16% deficiency is there. So Newton's assumption is wrong. What assumption is right? Laplace assumption is right. According to Laplace assumption, sound propagated through the medium. Here heat is constant, but temperature is not a constant. That means to follow adiabatic process, experimentally determine what is the final formula under root gamma P by rho ORR under root gamma RT by capital M. Here also I discuss so much formulas under root velocity inversely proportional to density, and velocity directly proportional to temperature, and velocity inversely proportional to molecular weight. According to these relations to solve the problems, for example, in the given question temperature is a constant, velocity always constant. For example, pressure changes 4 times, density also changes 4 times, 4p by 4 rho, 4 what? Cancel. So that's why temperature is a constant, pressure changes, but velocity does not change. Okay, this is the most important point. This one tomorrow, this all problems solve tomorrow. Please revise this concept again and again. Okay, bye.